What's up, EK gang?
And we back with another video, and today we gonna be doing a
Mukbang.
And you know, we're gonna do like a story time on how we met. So yeah, what we have,
We got our Chinese food. It's not a lot of food though.
tiny.
Yeah, it's kind of like a mini mukbang.
Yeah,
So
I don't know if you can see it. Yeah,
same thing, just different meat.
we just came from the movies,
Yep. And
watching
we went.
Mission Impossible.
Oh God. Oh well. But yeah, we went from movies. We went go karting.
Yeah. Oh, we wanted a scary ride.
Yeah. Oh yeah, scary ride. Like.
Yeah.
And then
I
if you,
so
she was
scared.
screaming. Forced me to get on. Then she's screaming.
Okay, but I went through the kind of guess the whole thing. Her, she was like, stop.
Yeah, you was, cause you was screaming.
Stop?
So I was like, you know what? And I asked you, stop? And you was like, yeah. So story time.
How did we met?
Or how we met or first date?
Oh, okay. We'll do like a how we met, like a separate video.
Yeah.
But we're gonna do our first date.
Kind of. Yeah, I guess it was a date.
It was last day of school. Yeah, last day.
Last day of school, a year ago.
A year ago.
Yeah. June 29th, 27th, like 27. Huh?
June 29th.
It was 27th, I believe, because it was when it got delayed because we got hella snow, so they pushed back the last day of school. So, yeah, last day of school, it was, you know, hecka dead.
And we was walking around with each other like she was following me.
Uh-huh.
And we were just chilling and talking. And I think it was at our first kiss, no? No, we kissed again by Miss Lopez's class.
Yeah, that was the day before.
And then Dwayne and all of them saw me kiss you, and they was like, what?
They
I
did?
thought, yeah. They told me or something like that. And then they was like, I thought y'all was just friends or something. I didn't know you rode that way and stuff like that. I remember that.
Was it looking through the classroom?
Yeah. There was. And I was
That's
like,
kind of weird.
I know.
Oh, so you had that teacher twice, yeah.
Yeah, because I was an avid.
And that was French. Yeah, so that was when we kissed. Why does it look like that?
I know I eat ugly. I don't care. You gotta eat good.
Okay. So that same day, last day of school, hit the mall where we're currently at right now. Hit the mall.
I remember we walked around a little bit, right?
I don't even remember.
Yeah. We walked around and I bought my purple dress.
Yeah, I helped her
bought
pick the purple dress.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then what happened? And then we was hungry. We didn't eat at school that day. You know, it was last day of school and stuff.
It's funny though, you didn't say nothing when I was buying that dress, but if I buy a dress now, whatever, you're gonna be like, no,
Nope.
you can't wear that.
Yep. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, we
so
wasn't dating, we was just messing around with each other. This
talking, I guess talking.
time. We started dating July 9th, 2017. Yeah,
The next month,
pretty much. And she was in California,
the whole time.
and I was in.
That's loyal.
Cracking the fuck up.
Okay. I told you to get a straw, and you got a fork.
I did get a straw.
Oh. Okay, and then so
I mean,
yeah, we
Was
decided
you
to
still
get.
talking to people?
You was, not me.
That's a fact.
So then, what do? We get some food. We got Panda Express.
I
We
paid
were
for
sitting there eating. Yeah, she paid for it that time
because I felt like
because I didn't bring my wallet or something.
you didn't.
Or I didn't have my. I didn't buy nothing that day. It was either I didn't have my wallet or I didn't have no money.
Yeah.
One of the two.
So I think my boo boo.
Yeah. She bought food for her boo boo before I was her boo boo. Yeah. And then. So yeah, she bought me that food. We eating like how we eating right now, but this is how she eating. Like there.
I was so nervous. She was nervous too. You cannot lie.
Yeah, and then
Like
she's
I
just
saw her staring,
taking,
and I was just like,
look. She got a big old piece of chicken bigger than this, and then she got like this.
no, you lying.
You was. And then
It was just awkward. And I remember she was wearing a red polo hat, a black shirt, yeah, and I don't know what pants.
I don't remember all that.
I just remember you was wearing a red polo hat and you had your braid. That's it.
It's when I had first started getting braids.
Yeah, I like her better with braids.
Yeah.
Like, you know, she just got it braided.
Yeah, it hurts right now. But so yeah, we ate. Then I think we just left. She was like, I'm not hungry no more. And then
And I was like, you better finish the food, wasn't it?
no, you didn't tell me that.
In my head, I was like,
Yeah.
you better finish her damn
But
food. 'Cause I
trust
just
me,
spent
when we
money.
got home, I grubbed up. I know she was in that like. Oh, yeah. Oh, yep. So yeah, that was the story time of our first date. Not too long.
It's a short
little.
video. But yeah, got it.
Yeah. So make sure y'all DM us on any social media, Facebook, Snap. Well, I don't use Facebook, but
So just
Instagram
or
and Snap.
Snapchat. And I'll put in the description box.
Yep.
And y'all can.
And make sure to subscribe. Subscribe, like,
Damn.
comment. Tell us what you think.
She got a prank coming, y'all.
I got a prank coming
No,
for her
like,
ass.
it's gonna be
She
so
don't know.
good. Like,
How do you know?
no, my prank is gonna be
you said you
good.
got a prank
It's
for
not
me.
gonna be like those type of pranks. It's gonna be like a good ass prank. Shout out to Delana for helping me out.
Shout out to you for giving me this prank.
Me?
Yeah, to be honest.
I
You
did.
don't know what it is, but it's something you.
I did it before?
Mm-mm.
Look at me with the straight face.
You didn't give me the prank. You don't know what it is.
I'm
But
waiting.
stay tuned. Stay tuned and make sure y'all give us some ideas to do more videos on what y'all like to see, all that.
Y'all, like, I'm really gonna prank her. But peace.
Peace out.